What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to check screen time on Android. Sometimes we might need to see the screen time on our Android phone to just survey our camera or screen time. So then just head over to your settings option, and if you scroll down you'll see an option of your general management or device care, or you can also find it in digital well-being and parental controls. Head over to it and there will be an option of screen time goal, and there is the screen time they're showing today. And in here you can see there is a social time of 9 hours and 8 minutes, games of 1 hour and 55 minutes, videos, productivity and finance, maps and travels, others, etc. And this is how you can know the screen time of your phone. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.